Hello there. Today we are going to be doing something a bit different. It's an Autodesk Sketchbook. I'm just going to be teaching you guys how to add text to a picture. Now, I've got this photo from a friend who's asked me to do it for them. And I'm going to add the text, but then I'm also going to make the picture look a bit more pretty. But obviously first we're going to do the text. So she asked for it to say angel, but with an X. Angel squad. And it should be easy, but in fonts, because she asked it to be all fancy, you just look for, if you don't know text, what text normally looks like, you just highlight the whole thing and go through looking to see what looks all fancy. If you already know, then you can just go ahead and click on that. I think there should be Romania. If not, we'll skip to the point where I actually find it. There you go. So that wasn't too hard, just run around finding stuff. You can have it in bold because we want to be able to find it. And she also asked for it to be in white. So it's in dead white, and you're going to have to highlight it if you actually want to see it. But you can just click, if you want to, you can change the size. But that doesn't really matter, because once you've done that, you can click OK, and it should appear here. But it doesn't matter about the size, because Autodesk allows you to just change the size as you please. And you can just, once you've found a good position that you like, let go, maybe rotate it, stretch it up a bit, but there. You can just finish off. Now, you'll see here that it has a cancel or not allowed button hovering right over my cursor, wherever I put it. The reason for this is that you're not, or you can't draw on a text layer. And what I mean by text layer is just a layer that has text on it. So you can do one of two things. You can group, sadly you can't group. You can create a new layer and then just draw on that. Or you can click on the previous picture layer and then do drawing on there. But you just can't draw on the text layer. I'm going to do the drawing on the picture layer. Now, what I wanted to do was, I'm going to bring my colour palette over here, select this nice pinkish colour. Maybe if you want to zoom in a bit so you have exactly the colour you want. And with the airbrush, I'm just going to go over it and see, if I do that, I can see that it's not that thick, or not as thick as I'd want it to be. So you can just grab your opacity, and instead of dragging up and down for flow, you can drag to the side, and that will change the size. You can also do it in here, but it's quicker with the opacity brush. Now you can just drag along, and you can just make it more pink until you're happy with it. But because I'm doing it for a friend, and she asked me, and she never said I should, I'm not going to do that much, but it still just makes it look a tad better. And that's really it. I know it was a short one, but I just decided, I've had a friend ask, so I might as well make a video out of it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And I guess, yeah, bye. I've just remembered that there is one thing you can do. If you think, what do I do? I'm personally on the Mac, but you want to know what you should do once you finish with it. Well, up top, you won't be able to see on my screen, but up top you should have File. And you'll be able to see just up to New Flipbook, but it says Save As. Now you can save it, and all the layers will be merged, all of them. And I'm not sure about the text layer because you can't merge it normally, but yeah, you'd click OK. You'd just make sure it is saved, and there you go, it's saved. And well done, it's saved. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. Remember to like and subscribe.